Are you struggling to get that powerful, cohesive sound in your techno productions or live performances? When you're building a techno track or especially a live set, your master channel can make or break the whole vibe. And without the right effects chain, things can sound disconnected and flat. I'm working on a new Ableton live set for an upcoming show, and check this out. Here's what it sounds like with and without my master effects chain. I've left Ozone Maximizer open so you can keep an eye on the peaks and RMS levels. Once you understand what's happening here, both mixing and creating become way easier and way more fun. I'll walk you through the 13 plugins one by one so you can hear exactly how each one improves the mix. And wait until you hear the last three, they really bring out the vibe. I'll also reveal exactly when in the process I use 8 of the 13 plugins, which might actually surprise you. Let's go. my mix sounds like this, it's because I started early in the process by introducing this FX chain right here on the master channel. You see, once I have my kick on that deep rumble locked in, my main focus is building a truly kick-ass low end to anchor the entire track. And that's precisely when I bring in these 8 key players on the master. Solid bus comp, which helps glue those initial low-end frequencies together, followed by the Shadow Hills compressor to add some early character. Then comes EQ8 with a crucial high-pass filter, the other EQ8 to mono the low end, Ozone exciter to add some subtle harmonics, the grit of Saturn 2, the saturation of Devastator, and finally, Ozone maximizer soft clip. Let me show you the difference this early master processing makes. Here too, I've left Ozone maximizer open so you can keep an eye on the peaks and RMS levels when I bypass this FX chain. If you want to see how I started building this live set from scratch, make sure to watch that video now. Or if you're looking to really maximize the impact of your techno productions with the incredible D16 Decimer 2, click on this one. Hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe for more essential techno production tips. If you have go-to-master channel moves for techno, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.